In today's video, we're talking Smokey the Bear fire protection. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. My name's Josh. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to yet another video. Make sure to go check me out over at JG Media over on Instagram. Today we got a good one for you. We got the brand new fire extinguisher mount by Kies Motorsports. We're gonna go ahead and throw in the M235i behind me. So let's get started. So here we are, the passenger side of the car. And here it is, the all new fire extinguisher mount by Kies Motorsports. We went with the gloss red finish to match the rest of the red interior, so I think it looks really cool matching. And then the cool part about these is there's also going to be a gloss black finish as well as a carbon fiber finish, since everybody loves the carbon. And then here is the Element fire extinguisher itself. These are really cool because they're it's almost like a flare fire extinguisher, which is really cool. So hopefully for you guys, hopefully for myself, we never actually end up having to use this, but it adds just that cool look of having the mount underneath the passenger footwell, as well as giving us that safety first fire extinguisher. So like I said, yeah, hopefully we never have to use this, but I think it's essential for everyday driving, as well as I'm pretty sure most tracks require a fire extinguisher. So I'm very excited to get this installed. Should be a very simple install. We're just gonna remove one bolt here, one bolt over there, lift up the front seat a little bit, and get this mounted in. So let's get started. And then here are both the bolts. Both of them are out, so that'll give us access to rocking the seat back a little bit, so we can get this extinguisher mount underneath this bracket, get this bolted back up. Everything's super simple with our Wera toolkit. But yeah, let's continue on with the process. So then at this part of the process, it'll just be up to your discretion to figure out how far you want the mount to stick out. If you want it to be sunken in a little bit, if you want it to stick out. I want it to stick out, so I have it on the furthest length, so that way I can just have the Kies logo sticking out. I think that's gonna look really cool. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put these two bolts back in, torque them down to factory BMW OEM spec of 42 Newton meters. And yeah, simple as that. Just like that, everything is fully installed and it looks fantastic. Everything was super simple. Just those top two bolts torqued back down to 42 Newton meters. Everything was super straightforward with our ratchet from Wera and that long extension. Again, those two top bolts were torqued down to 42 Newton meters and everything looks super great. I really like just the way the Kies engraving sticks out like that. It just looks so cool. It gives us that peace of mind of having a fire extinguisher in the car. And then with ease of access, it's simple as grabbing your fire extinguisher right there. It pops right on out of the mount, and to use it, it's as simple as you pop off the top, pop off the bottom, and then you're going to want to use this top piece of the bottom piece to strike away from you, and just strike this top piece and it'll just light up straight like a flare. Super convenient, super easy to use. Combat against a Class A fire, a Class B fire, a Class C fire, and a Class K fire, as well as all the instructions are right here, simply laid out for you. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple as pie, smooth sailing, and you have that peace of mind of having a fire extinguisher in your car. just like that, everything is fully installed and looks fantastic. Huge thank you to Kies Motorsports on the fire extinguisher mount. I know what you guys are thinking. Are these mounts compatible with my car? These are compatible with the F30s, the F80s, of course the F22s, as well as a bunch of G-Series vehicles as well. So if you guys are interested in the mount, some tools, torque wrenches, whatever you guys need for the project, be sure to see those links down in the description. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Check me out over at JG Media over on Instagram. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you, yeah, you, in the next video. Peace.